Are you getting lost? No. Oh. Are you getting lost, Madison?
No.
To make sure a frog is alive.
His fin is going.
That there's a YouTube frog. He wants to be on YouTube. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yep.
I can't see. I can't see.
It's right there.
Huh?
Right there. Lower. Closer to you. Over here. See where my finger's pointing?
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
That's camouflage.
Left or right?
What's this way? Is this right?
Which way do we go?
What's this way, right?
That's left.
Oh.
I've been down the right path.
And where's that go?
It goes to like a little bit of muddy kind of area, sort of.
Okay, let's go that way.
We're going left.
Yes, sir.
Whoa, this is cool. Dad, can you lift me up? Lift me up so I can get on here. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching my channel.
Like and subscribe. Comment down below. There we go. Should I play the fungus song?
Oh my. Funguses, funguses, funguses.
That's the one. And kick it.
Funguses, funguses, funguses. Hey! Funguses are used in many, many ways. to raise a glass and together we'll say, hi-de-di-do-de-do, funguses, hey! You think mushrooms are okay on your soups and on your roasts, though they share a kingdom with what grows between your toes. I might have turned you off food and give you a sick feeling, but it's okay to get sick, fungus gave us penicillin.
Lots of new growth maple trees up and coming. That's a big one. So today we came out, tried to get lost, brought the kids out, went to Vansittart Woods, just outside of Woodstock. It's a actually private property with public trails in it. It's owned by the Thames Valley School Board, and they do educational things here in the fall and spring throughout the school year. The building behind me is the educational center, and it's actually, I came here I think twice when I was a kid too, so it's been here quite a while. I think it was shut down for a few years, now it just came back. They've reopened it, and so it's like a wilderness educational center for the kids, where they do school field trips, and they do some campfires, roast marshmallows, roast hot dogs, stuff like that. So anyway, just outside of Woodstock at Vansittart Woods, trying to get lost. Didn't really get lost, but we tried. So I urge you to come out here. Just remember to bring this bug repellent, because there's lots of mosquitoes. It wasn't too bad today, but there was pockets of them along the way. So anyway, nice wilderness walk, nice pond to look at, lots of frogs. So good place to come out for just a half hour or so. You can also bike through here too, through the trails. But come on out. Nice little area for the kids to walk. Just bring your bug repellent, that's all. So get out there and get lost.